Hi everyone, I'm going to do a quick demonstration over two concepts of chin rest, shoulder rest issues. One concept is the concept of using the shoulder rest as a fulcrum, and the other concept is the concept of the chin rest hooking us under the gills to prevent the violin from slipping forward or from squirting out away from us. It'll make more sense at the end of this video, I hope. So the equipment I have on my violin, just in case you're curious, I'm using a Mach 1 shoulder rest. It's made of maple wood. It's rigid. There's no bending or no swivel. If it fits you, it fits you. And I love mine. But anyway, a lot of you are curious about that. So this is the Mach 1. The chin rest I have on is it's called a Stuber or Stuber. It cannot be bought any longer, but I am very close to finding a supplier. I'm working with Gary Frisch of Frisch and Denig, and he has the capability of replicating what we need out of this. So if you think this might be the chin rest for you, I will post information on this video hopefully very soon of where you can get something that isn't exactly the same is close to the same. Okay, because you can buy Stuber chin rests now, but they are not the same. They're making them differently without this nice scoop. Okay, but that's not what this video is about. This video I want to just demonstrate how the hook combined with the shoulder rest fulcrum it gives you a real feeling of security. So if the violin is on your shoulder, kind of like it's on this tabletop, and you put your chin on the chin rest or your jaw on the chin rest, the violin gravity is going to pull down on the scroll. And if this is your jawbone, it will slip until it comes to the hump. And then it hooks you right under the middle of your jawbone. And then this scoop, which is why I love my Stuber so much, this low scoop, try to get the light to show you the contour. There it is. The wonderful scoop of the Stuber allows the sharp part of your jawbone an exit, a nice low, smooth exit. I hold my violin with my head facing forward. Gary pointed that out to me. So I guess that makes a difference whether this will work for you or not. Many people hold their heads pointing left, and that changes the contact points. Okay, so anyway, this hooks you under the gills, and this allows the sharp part of your jaw a little exit point. And like I said, with gravity combined with the fulcrum of the chin rest, allows this chin rest hump to hook under your jawbone, and then just your passive head weight is enough. You don't have to do anything with your neck muscles. Just have a head, and that will lock in, and it's very comfortable and doesn't require any squeezing of the neck. It allows freedom of movement. It allows head movement. Like I said, oh, and I want to add, my equipment isn't right for everybody. The way I hold the violin is not right for everybody. But I think the more information you have and the more explanations you have, the better prepared you are to know what you want and what you need. So I hope that was helpful, and thanks for watching. See you next time.